In this video, I will share with you some ideas of games to play with kids. By knowing how play is at this time, we can think about how to play and what to play with. Pay attention to their initiatives and also suggest ideas to the child. Playing with kitchen items. You can play together with the child organizing, making sounds, putting and taking out kitchen items, such as ladles, Tupperware lids, bowls, or buckets. In the bathroom. Here, you can play with foam, using either hand soap or detergent. On the foam, you can use your fingers to draw pictures, blow, and touch your hands. Playing with sheets. You can make a tent, a cave to look at books, play hide and seek. Move the sheets, as if they were waves. You can stack pillows, hide them, arrange them by size, put pillows on different parts of the body. Sorting socks. This is a simple game in which you can take out all the socks and find the pairs. Sort them. Make a big ball and play. Getting magazines and newspapers. Kids like to look at the pictures, tear the pages with their fingers or scissors. You can talk about what you are watching. And finally, with the cutouts, you can make a collage. Playing with food. This is a very fun activity, as it brings sensory aspects into play. You can put rice, flour or lentils in a bowl. The child can play by putting their hands in there, looking for hidden objects, passing a bowl of rice from one side to the other. Playing with dough. It is very easy to prepare with the child, step by step, a big dough of flour with salt and water. Then, you can make different shapes or balls to cook. Arranging shoes. Kids tend to like this game, as filling the living room with shoes draws their attention. They can search for matching pairs, sort them by size, make a line, and create a train. Hanging garments on a rope. Using clothespins, taking them out, helping to fold them. This activity is fun, as the child helps by passing the garments, folding, touching different fabrics and buttons. All these activities are very easy to do. Not only will your child learn more, but it will also be a great time to share with your family.